fish. Toothless, Stormfly. I'm not sure what's gotten into you two, but now you have both eaten Patrick. All those dragon friends of yours are eating your fish statue. Oh well, I guess all your dragon friends like fish barf.